Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Artie. We are at Evasive Motorsports. I'm about to drop off the GR Corolla for my wheel, tire, and suspension installation. I have to wait 1 day for them to install everything and come and pick up the car. Alright guys, huge thank you to Evasive Motorsports for finishing up my car so quick. It took just a day to finish it up, and look at how it looks. So it was a really hard choice to figure out which wheels I wanted. Initially I wanted the TE37s, which you cannot go wrong with, but it was also hard to pick out a color, and I was like, man, I'm gonna go with silver because a lot of people are going with a darker color, which is really nice, but I wanted something to pop. But it was a really risky choice. So comment down below what you guys think with this color contrast with the silver and the blue. I think it looks great. So let's talk about my offset on these wheels. If you missed the previous video, I am running 18 by 9.5 plus 22 BBS RE V7s with 265/35 18-inch tires. So the rear, this is where it gets interesting. I removed the 10mm spacer in the rear, and this is what we're working with right now. Comment, should I leave it like this or should I run a 5mm spacer? Another quick thing that I wanted to show you guys. So a lot of people that get crazy offset wheels on these, you have to run extended studs. What I did was I got the OEM rear studs, which are longer than the front, and I put them in the front. So I'm getting around like 10 or 11 turns on these studs. It's plenty because I'm not planning on tracking this car, but overall, if you are getting aftermarket wheels, I do suggest getting extended studs. All right, now so that we're behind the wheel of the car, let's talk about my suspension. Now, if you noticed, with the wheels on, I am not actually running my factory suspension. So I did want to get Olin's coilovers, but they were back ordered, so I decided to go with Swift springs. Now, Swift springs was a little bit, in general, springs was a little bit of a hard choice to go with and to settle, because there's a lot of people complaining about the fact that the car gets super stiff, there's clunky noises, and it's just really bouncy. Now, I did have a GT4, so if you're new to the channel, I had a Cayman GT4, so I'm used to really stiff rides. And if you are new to the channel, consider subscribing. So running Swift springs, like I said, I read in forums, and a lot of people say, oh my god, you're gonna have noises and this and that. And guys, I'm driving it, it's been a week. I'm letting the suspension settle a little bit before I do my alignment, which is a must. But overall, right now driving, here's a speed bump, no noises. It is a stiff ride, a little bit bouncy of a ride. But for me, for what I'm using it as day-to-day purpose, for now, it's fine. Am I going to get coilovers later on in the future? Most likely, because I do want that adjustability. But for now, Swift Springs, the way it looks, the way it's settled, I think it looks fabulous. Comment down below what you guys think. If you guys are part of the GR community, make sure to reshare this video. Hopefully I answered a lot of questions that a lot of you guys that are anticipating and trying to get wheels and suspension done to your GR Corollas. Hopefully this is a helpful video. If you guys have any questions, comment down below. Comment what you guys think about my setup, and I'll catch all of you guys in the next video. Peace.